Now it's been a big week in entertainment. Here's the Intense 5. Riri wasn't at the Met Gala. Rumors are swirling that she's pregnant again, but I guess we'll find out soon. Dancehall has infiltrated again. If you're a lover of video games and Fortnite is your thing, then Drift has made it to the list of music. Hey! Popular streamer Kai Cenat won't be charged for luring thousands of fans to Union Square last year, with the promise of giving away video consoles. Instead, he will pay $57,000 in restitution and have to apologize on social media. Leela Ike has broken the internet. No sir! So she posted a video in a very skimpy swimsuit walking on the beach, and the place went crazy, okay? Go there, Leela! And finally holding the spot this week, Drake versus Kendrick. The drama is getting hot, but there's additional drama surrounding Drake. A security guard at his home was shot and injured. Then the day after that, someone tried to break in the same house. I don't know what's going on, but Drake just need a wash off. Honestly, too much just happening. Well, that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Richie has a chat with Gandhi, formerly Ras Gandhi, and he has a lot to say. We'll move forward.